Okay, in this video, we will be looking at how to transfer the call.
So
So
we
we
have
have
some
some
dialable
dialable leads
leads.
in the system.
Let me make
So let me
myself
make
active.
myself active
And
and
wait for the call
wait
to be
for the call
connected.
to be connected.
So now we
So
have a
now we
call
have a
connected
call
over here.
connected over
So
here.
let's say if
So
I want
let's
to
say if I want to transfer this call to another number, I would click on this
print button
print button, transfer conference,
and I have a
and I
number
have a number that I can paste over here.
and I will
And
click
I would
on
click on
park
Park
customer dial
Customer
button.
Dial button.
If I click on
If I
this
click
button
on this
park
button,
customer
Park
dial,
Customer Dial,
it will put the
it will
customer
put the
on
customer on the
and
hold and it will dial to the number I pasted
to number to
to
call.
number to call.
Park customer
Park
dial.
Customer Dial,
As soon as the
as soon as the
customer
customer,
third party
the
number
third party
answers my
number
call,
answers my call,
I would
I
hit the
would
grab
hit the
park call.
grab Park call.
And by this
And
way,
by this
I would
way,
be able
I
to
would be
bring the
able to
customer
bring the
on
customer
call
on the
with the
call
third
with
party
the
number.
third party number.
And
And
as soon as he
as
comes
soon
to
as he comes to
line,
the line,
he like there's a
he
conference
like
call
there's a
going
conference
on.
call going
You will
on. You
introduce
will
them
introduce them to each
and
other
you will
and
leave
you will
three-way
leave
call.
three-way call.
Once you click on
Once you
leave
click
three-way
on leave
call,
three-way call,
and then you
and
select the
then you'll
positioning,
select the
you will
dispositioning,
put the
you will put
comments.
the comments.
So this
So
was a
this was a
test call.
test call.
I'll pause
I'll
myself.
pause myself.
So we had
So we
three
had
types of
three types of
calls.
transfer
So
calls.
this was the
So
way
this was the
how
way
you
on
can
how you can make a warm transfer.
there are
There are
three ways
total three ways of transferring. One way is dial with the
customer
customer,
and
and
one
there was one blind call,
the third
and there was a third one,
park customer
park
dial.
customer
In the
dial.
park
In the
customer
park
dial,
customer dial,
putting the
we are
customer
putting the
on the
customer
hold
on the hold
and
and we are making call to the third party number.
so let me just
So
show you
let me
the
just
other
show you
two
the
options
other
that
two
we
options
got
that we got
before.
before.
Let me make myself
Let me make
active
myself active and let us get connected to one of the call.
Okay, so we have a
Okay, so we
connected
have a
call right
connected
now.
call right now.
So
So
let's say if you want to
let's say if you
transfer the
want to
call,
transfer the
you can
call, you
click on
can
transfer
click on
conference
transfer
and
conference
you can see
and
we
you can
have
see we
three
have
options
three
over here.
options over
Dial
here. Dial
blind transfer,
blind transfer,
dial with
dial
customer,
with
or park
customer or
customer
park
dial.
customer dial.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
this would be the way
this would be the
on how
way
to
on
transfer the
how to
call. So
transfer the
blind
call. So
transfer,
blind transfer, just simply transfer the call.
maybe the other
Maybe the
party
other
might
party
not be
might not
available
be
to answer
available
the
to
call.
answer the
So this
call.
is
So
not the
this is
right way
not the right way of transferring the call.
So
So
you can click
you
with
can
dial
click
with
with dial
when
with customer. When you click
dial with
dial
customer,
with customer, the
customer would
customer would be able to hear
ring
the ring
also when you
also
make the
when you
call
make the call
to that third
to
party
that
number.
third party number.
So this is
So
also
this
not
is
the right
also
way
not
of
the
doing it.
right way of doing it.
Park customer
Park
dial
customer dial
is
would be
the way
the
of
best way of
transferring the call.
transferring the call.
So
So
I believe this is
I believe
clear.
this is
So
clear.
let me
So
just click
let me
on
just click on
call
leave three-way call
and click on
and
not
click on
interested.
not interested.
So this time
So
let me
this
just
time
make a
let me just
manual
make a
call
manual call
and also
and
show you
also show
one
you
thing.
one thing.
So I'll put
So
over
I'll
here
put
a
over
manual
here
call.
I'll make a manual
So
call. So
let's assume that
let's assume that
now
this
we don't
because
have
now
any
we don't have
dialable
any
leads in the
dialable
system.
leads in the
So
system.
I'm just
So
making a
I'm just
manual
making a
call
manual
to
call
show you.
just to show you.
So I'll click on
So
dial
I'll
now.
click on dial now.
So let's
So
say if I
let's
want
say
to
if I
transfer
want
the
to
call
transfer the call of this person
to another
to
number
another number or to a third party number
or not to the
or
third
not to the third party number,
let's say
let's say
I want to
I
transfer
want
some
to
to
transfer
some
some
any
to
other
some
agent.
any other
So
agent.
I click on
So I
transfer
click on
conference.
transfer conference.
So there's a
So there's a
group called toll
group
free.
called toll free.
So
So if I click on
local closure,
local closure,
it would send
it
my
would
call
send my call
in the queue.
in the queue.
So if
So
I just click
if I
over
just
here
click
call
over here
transfer,
call
that means
transfer, that means
anybody
anybody who is
taking the call
taking the call for toll free,
would be
he would be able to get this call.
so
So
like for example
like for example, if we are not able to handle a customer, we can tell him,
we are
okay,
transferring
we are
your call
transferring your call
to our
to our manager or to our
another agent.
another
So
agent.
you can
So you
transfer the
can
call
transfer the
by
call
doing this
by doing this
process.
process.
So you can make a
So you
local
can make a
closure.
local closure.
Local closure is
Local
also
closure is also a type of a
so I
transfer.
just wanted
So
to
I just
share
wanted
that.
to share that with you.